So hey guys, let's talk in this video about how to earn your money with your skills. In this 21st century, you can have any skill and earn money for it. Either influencing, tutoring, or technical abilities like website development, app development, or any other skill, you can earn money for it. As wise man once said, if you are good at something, never do it for free. So in this video, I will show you some methods and its websites from which you can earn good amount of money. So first of all, let's start with freelancing. Might have heard about freelancers. You can simply go to these websites called Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, and whatever technical skill you have, like website development, app development, Photoshop, or anything like that, you can put that into your tab and work for other people to make money. I would suggest you to start with low amount of money first, and once you have reached a particular level and have a good rating in your clients, you can actually increase your rates to 10x. Secondly, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Now this recently is booming a lot. A lot of money are having paying a good amount for selling their products in the market. You can get a good commission out of a lot of products. They don't even need to be virtual products or anything like that. They could be online books or online courses, and you can get a pretty good amount from selling other people courses. Now, definitely you need to be an influencer or have a good amount of followers on some social media site to be good in this. You can go to these websites called Rockseller, Reseller Club, vCommission, BigRock Affiliate, Yatra Affiliate, and even Amazon and Flipkart Associative. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. Now you might have heard about these apps called Vedantu, Unacademy, Byju's, and what. Whatever subject you are good at, you are good in school, you like to teach others, you can go to this website, give their test, and if you get selected, there is a pretty good amount you can earn by doing what you love. Fourth, let's talk about filling out surveys. Now, many people will think this is fake and this does not give any money, but it is 100% genuine. And actually, if you have knowledge about anything, like if you know about your college, you can literally fill out surveys regarding to your college and earn money for it. I have given my survey on my college and earned 150 rupees for one 10-minute quick survey. You can do this too. Just the survey should be 100% genuine, and it should give all the necessary information to those people. It's a very quick and easy way to earn money. So this was all. I hope you got a little bit knowledge about how to earn money. Thank you very much.